In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the sides and edges of your canvas so your paint coverage remains excellent straight through to when your painting is dry. When we create a painting, we want the amazing results we see when we stop the creation process to look just as wonderful when it is dry. But in acrylic pouring art, we sometimes end up with thin areas that don't look so great when the paint pulls down and drips before reaching that stable point. We're going to solve this issue in this episode so we end up with a gorgeous painting time and time again. I recently got this idea to mix up, especially when I'm making a custom color, so there's no way I'm going to get this to match 100% again. What I've been doing is making the mixture really thick. There's no Floetrol in here. It's just mixed with a little bit of water to get a little bit of fluidity. And what I'm going to do is paint my edges where I want this color to go. I'm going to do that while the mixture is thicker. Then what I'm going to do is, with the remaining amount of mixture, I'll add a little bit more water, and if there's anything else I want to add, like Floetrol or any other pouring medium, I'll add that as well at that time. This way it allows me to have a thicker body of paint to really make sure that these edges and this little curve here is very sufficiently covered. But it's also going to allow this mixture to dry very quickly because I have not added Floetrol or any other pouring medium to it, which would then make what I put down take about a day or more to dry. This way I can do my preliminary setup, and I can come back in a little while and actually get on with the rest of my painting. When doing this technique, it is important to keep your preparation painting, like I'm doing here, just on the sides and just coming around that top edge of that curve before it comes fully on the top. You don't want to come too far into the top, because if you do, and if the painting that you do on top isn't fully opaque, then you're actually not going to end up with what looks like completely even results. So, if you do that by chance, I've done it before, and that's how I kind of learned about that, so live and learn. But to try and help you avoid that, just don't do it. So at this point, I'm just putting this on the part that really curves around, and then the part that goes straight down. So this preparation is really geared toward the way that I'm going to be doing this painting, which is a split background. It's going to just be a 2-color split background. And so I treated the sides accordingly to that. If I'm going to be doing a painting where I'm going to be using all kinds of colors everywhere, like a ring pour or some other technique where I know that there's just going to be massive amounts of colors coming over the sides pretty much everywhere that's going to take place, I have a different way of preparing for that, and I will show you that in a video that I will create soon. If you liked this and found this helpful, please give a subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and a like, and leave me a comment. And I appreciate you being here. I'll see you around my channel again soon.